Hello everyone, welcome back to the Dr. Wayne Dyer 101 Ways to Transform Your Life series. Here we are with part 69, which I think is another fantastic principle. This one particularly being useful on the day-to-day, and I think it's one you can apply almost immediately. So this principle is, it really works that way because it's about the fact that you don't have to do your best. So a lot of people say, okay, as long as you tried your best, as long as you did your best, then it's okay. And he's saying you don't even have to do your best. Don't bother trying to do your best or thinking you need to do your best. Just do, because your best leaves you no room for improvement. You can't improve if you did your best. And I think this one's really tricky because people naturally have this kind of perfectionist idea that we all have to do our best. Like we all have to be the greatest all the time. Like we have to do the best, the best, the best, the best. And the truth is we don't really. We just have to do we don't even have to do the best we can. We should just show up and do no matter what it is. Is it like, if you go to a test, people naturally think, oh, I have to do this test the best. I have to be the best. I have to put forth my maximum effort. I have to do that. And he's saying not even in that case, because when we have this perfectionist kind of pressure, it makes us choke. It makes us have like test-taking anxiety, that kind of stuff. Versus when we approach it of the way of not having to do our best, we're free to actually do better than we would do if we felt that pressure that we had to do the best, that we had to do it perfectly. And so a lot of this is this idea that when you're in the flow state of mind, when you're relaxed, when you're understanding, it's okay if I lose a few hands. It's okay if I mess up some of this stuff. It's okay if this goes wrong. When people allow themselves to have that, that really gets the subconscious mind to not be so tight, to not tell them, oh, I can't do this, can't do this, can't do this. Instead says, we can do this. It's going to be easy. It's all going to be fine. And I think that that's really the big lesson here, is that when the subconscious mind is really working with us, when we're in this flow state, this carefree state of mind, that's when we best have the aid of our subconscious mind, and that's when we really have, like, all the power. That's about it for part 69. I will see you guys next time with part 70, so stay tuned.